All right, I am unboxing my new yellow speed coilovers for the 3000 GT. It is the Dynamic Pro Sport inverted for the Mitsubishi, all-wheel drive, spring rate of 8K, 7K, which is nice because a lot of the other coilovers, the spring rates are much higher, and I'm looking for a softer ride. With the softer ride, so you get an option that either if you want pillow ball mounts for the fronts or rubber. I went for rubber just for noise and harshness. So here, unboxing for the first time. Here we go. Here's the front. There's the rubber bushing, rubber mount. That looks pretty good, actually. Inverted. So you can see that's inverted just with the thicker tubing. It's supposed to do a few things, just be stronger, be a little more robust, better heat dissipation. I don't know, I hear good things, so I got the inverted kind. And again, I got the rubber mount just because, I mean, yes, pillow balls are nice because you get camber, adjust your camber. This not so much. I actually bought camber bolts for that. But you know, right now for this car, harshness, noise is more important than camber. So here's the front. Man, those look good. Also with the inverted, the dampener's on the bottom. Let's take a look at the rear. Now the rears are not inverted. Standard. Yeah, standard. Also rubber. Nice. It says inverted on it, but the rears aren't. You can tell, see, the smaller, the piston. Comparatively, right? Alright, well, I'll install these soon. And we'll see how they ride. Awesome, looking forward to it.